Place the bacon, garlic, shallot, barbecue sauce, maple syrup, salt, paprika, pepper and bourbon in a blender and pulse until it's grind finely. Cut the chicken into cubes for about 1 by 1 inch and thread onto skewers. Coat the chicken with the bacon marinade. Let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Grill the kebabs for 5 minutes on both sides on the grill until done. Coat the chicken again with the bacon marinade and grill for another minute on both sides. Serve immediately.